Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the book back question and answers of 8th Standard Social Science, Civics, Unit 7, The Judiciary. Take the page number 212. In that, there is an evaluation, is there, no? Take the page number 222, 222. Choose the correct answer. First one, the highest and final judicial tribunal of India is the answer Supreme Court. Second one, the judicial system provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between. Answer is all the above. Third one, dispute between states of India comes to Supreme Court under. The answer is original jurisdiction. Fourth one, which of the following state or union territories have a common high court? The answer is option C, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Then the fifth one, the system of public interest litigation has been introduced in India by. The answer Supreme Court. Sixth one, how many courts are there in apex level in India? The answer is 1. Seventh one, Supreme Court is located at New Delhi. Then eighth one, FIR means first information report. Ninth one, the court that hear criminal cases are called Sessions Court. Next we pass on to the fill in the blanks. The first one, the High Court is the oldest. The Das High Court is the oldest High Court in India. Answer is Calcutta. 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 Second one, the framers of the Constitution established dash and dash judiciary in India. The answer is independent and impartial. Independent. INDEPENDENT. Independent and impartial. 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 Then the third one, Das a famous French philosopher propounded the idea of an independent judiciary? The answer is Montesquieu. 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 Fourth one, Das deals with disputes over money, property and social matters. The answer is civil law. CIVILLAW. Then last one, during ancient times, most of the king's courts dispensed justice according to Dharma. தர்மத்தின் அடிப்படையில் நீதி வழங்கினார்கள். Dharma. Answer is Dharma. Then we pass on to the match the following. Supreme Court is highest court of appeal. Then High Court is highest court in the states. Then the third one, Lok Adalat is speedy justice. Fourth one, Sir Elijah Mbe is Chief Justice. Fifth one, Smritis is social duties. Then we pass on to the true or false. The first one, the Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on 28th January 1951. Answer is false. Second one, during the Takla period, the code of procedure was written in Arabic. The answer is true. Third one, the Regulating Act of 1773 made provision for the formation of Supreme Court. The answer is true. Fourth one, Sardar Diwani Adalat was a criminal court of appeal. False. Fifth one, the Allahabad High Court is the largest court in India. True. The last one, the Constitution of India secures justice of all its citizens. The answer, true. Next we pass on to the Roman letter 5. Choose the correct statement. Consider the following statements. First one, a law commission was set up by Macaulay. It codified the Indian laws. Which of the statements given above is correct? The answer is both 1 and 2. Then second one, consider the following statements. An Indian penal code was prepared in 1860. The Calcutta High Court was established in 1862. Third one, the Government of India Act 1935 created Federal Court. Which of the statement is correct? The answer is all the above. Then the third one, which of the following statement is not true but not true about India's Supreme Court? The Supreme Court of India is the highest court of the land. It was established by Part 5 under the Chapter 4 of Indian Constitution. Supreme Court cannot transfer cases from one high court to another. The fourth one, its decisions are binding on all courts. The answer is option C, 3. Fourth one, assertion is the Supreme Court is a court of the record. Reason, it maintains record of the court proceedings and its decisions are binding upon the lower courts. The answer is option C, A is correct and R explains A. Then fifth one, agree or disagree. A, every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court. A rich and powerful people control the judiciary system. Every citizen has a right to get justice through the courts. Politicians cannot control over judges. Here A, C and D with agree and disagree with B. B is disagree and A is agree. B is disagree. Third one agree. Fourth one also agree. Agree with A, C, D and disagree with B. Okay. Last one, then we pass on to the answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, why do we need judicial system? Take the page number 217. Page number 217. Start from judiciary plays an important role, an organ of the government. It administers justice, settles disputes, interprets laws, protects fundamental rights and acts as guardian of the Constitution. Up to this mark first question. Second one, what are the different levels of the courts in India? Page number 219. In 219 there is different types of courts: Supreme Court of India, High Court, District Court and Subordinate Court. இந்த நாலும் டைட்டில் மட்டும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதுதான் செகண்ட் கொஷினுடைய ஆன்சர். செகண்ட் கொஷின். தென் தேர்ட் ஒன், டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் லா அண்ட் ஜுடிஷியரி. பேஜ் நம்பர் 217. 217 what is law? Start from law and judiciary. Is there no paragraph? Law is a system of rules imposed through a government or institution to govern people. Judiciary is in law. The judiciary or judicial system is a system of courts which administers justice in the name of the state. Then write a note on Lok Adalat. Page number 219. எடுங்க. லோக் அதாலத் அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. In that page just mark Lok Adalat. Paragraph is there, no? Lok Adalat was set up to provide speed justice. From that up to this Junagadh of Gujarat. Up to this you can mark. Fourth 2 mark question. Fifth one, what are the advantages of the mobile courts? Mobile court today advantages in page number 220. Mobile courts paragraph is there, no? Mobile courts will be of great relief to the rural people. அங்கேருந்து டோர் ஸ்டெப் அது வரைக்கும் ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, டோர் ஸ்டெப் வரைக்கும். தென் we pass on to the Roman letter 7. Answer the following in detail. Write about the role of judiciary. Page number 220. Same page number. Role of judiciary. You can mark from here. Up to this you can mark big question, first one. Then second one is differentiate civil law and criminal law. Page number 222. In that you just mark the tabular column, civil law and criminal law. Tabular column, just mark it the big question, second one. Third one, describe jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Take the page number 220. Start from here. Big question, third one, original jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction, and take the next page. No need to write this. Tabular. And take the next page, and up to this you can mark big question, third one. Special powers is there, no? It supervises the functioning of the lower courts. Up to this big question, third one. Okay students, இதோட வந்து இந்த லெசன் உடைய 1 mark 2 mark and 5 marks over. Then next எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் அண்டு ஜாகிரபி வந்து இன்னும் ரிமைனிங் இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த லெசன்ஸ் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் போடுறேன். இந்த சேனல் நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைம் இப்போ பார்க்குறீங்க அப்படின்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பக்கத்தில் ஒரு பெல் ஐக்கான் கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படிங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்கள் ஃபோனுக்கு நான் போடுற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வரும். மற்றும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.